Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming you're signed into the same Apple ID and that sync library is enabled in Music. This allows Garageband to see your tracks. Make sure you have the songs downloaded locally if you plan to import audio directly, since streaming-only files won't appear. Once done, open Garageband and create or open a project. Make sure Track View is visible so you can import or record alongside the Apple Music content. Now you'll import the song. Open the Music or Files app, locate the downloaded audio file, and drag it into Garageband's Tracks area. If a file is protected or streaming only, convert it to an accessible audio file first. Garageband won't import DRM-protected content. Once the audio sits in a track, set the project tempo and key to match the song, enable the metronome, and use transient markers to slice or to finish, balance levels, apply fades and effects, then export your project via share as an AAC or WAV file or send back to files. Make sure you name and save versions. Version control prevents accidental overwrites. If audio doesn't appear in GarageBand, verify that the song is downloaded for offline use and that sync library is active. Streaming-only tracks won't import. One quick troubleshooting tip. If import fails, re-download the song, restart GarageBand, and confirm enough device storage for temporary files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.